Social Development has formed part and is participating together with the local government, provincial Joint Operations Center and the National Joint Food Coordinating Committees since the floods befell the two provinces. The priority is placed on providing immediate support, especially focusing on women, children, and older persons and persons with disabilities. So the department is working in collaboration with other stakeholders in executing the role of providing humanitarian relief, and as such has been able to establish 98 shelters where more than 8,400 people are housed in community halls, religious facilities, other temporary structures within the community. From the SASSA side, also the SRD fund has also become very handy. More than 3,000 individuals have already benefited from this, with almost 5 million rand already distributed. The health sector has lost the facilities which have been affected. 66 facilities have been affected, resulting in mainly roof leaks and flooding into the clinics and the hospitals. The breakdown of affected facilities as the different districts in terms of a breakdown is that in eThekwini there are 24 facilities, in the Ugu district 15 facilities from hospitals, health centers and clinics, Umgungundlovu 9 facilities, in the Ilembe district there are 8 facilities, and in the King Kechwayo area 2 facilities. Fortunately, there's been minimum of disruption in terms of the core services for health. The cost of the repairs of the damaged facilities is estimated to be just a little under 190 million. There were also issues which have been sufficiently dealt with, where there were delays to the bereaved families in terms of conclusion of postmortems, because when a situation like this happens, when we talk about more than 400 people dying from this disaster, it means all those deaths are what is called unnatural deaths. So for every unnatural death, there has to be a post-mortem, because that's what the law requires. Our teams there have been able to bring in additional capacity, and they have been able to make sure that almost all the post-mortems have been concluded, and so that when if there are any delays in terms of families getting closure, in terms of being able to put to rest their loved ones, it should not be because the postmortems have not been concluded. So we're very happy that that part has been addressed. From what I've been informed, very few, if any, are still left. There are no major problems in terms of families being able to bury their loved ones. The basic education sector has been quite severely affected, with more than 630 schools affected, 101 inaccessible, and 124 have seen extensive damages. We can confirm that 64 learners, unfortunately, have been reported to have passed away as a result of this disaster, while 5 are still missing. 1 educator and 1 food handler have also been reported to have passed away as a result.